Hello, people. How are y'all today? Trying to get my phone to stand up. It's not wanting to. Okay, good. So you read the title. You saw the thumbnail. And this thumbnail probably has it. I don't know. You saw the title. We're reviewing a set of Hot Wheels. World's tiniest Hot Wheels, to be exact. Let's do this. I am super excited to do this. It's an unboxing video. Obviously. Oh, gosh dang it. Sorry for my phone. Just not wanting to stand up today. Okay. So I actually got 3 of them instead of 1 because we're ordering these online on Amazon. Oh my gosh, they're the size of a coin, like a quarter, and these are all 3 of them that I have. So first we got a hold on, let me see this. Oh, it's a nice black car. It's a very nice car. We got a red truck. There you go. Then we have a green one. Let's open these up, and yeah, it's hard to open.
Oh, let's go.
I cannot open these.
Like it or this kid.
Oh my gosh, hold on, guys. Okay, my brother got me the scissors.
Which one? Bars.
And right now I'm trying to open this.
Wait, it could click. Yeah. Don't click on cars.
These are impossible to open.
Oh my gosh, we got 1. We got 2.
Bro, I hate when a lizard does that.
Of these.
Oh, we're back again.
Look.
Okay, so I finally got one out. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is amazing. This is made out of plastic.
Plastic?
Okay, this is made out of plastic right here. Finally got it. Finally got it out. Look at that. No, you're not supposed to.
I need the scissors.
No, hold on. Probably one of the coolest things about, yo, that's cool.
Okay,
So, as you can see, there's the car in there. One of the coolest features about this is that it has a little thing that you can open.
It is too.
You close it. You can put them.
It is
oh my gosh,
too. It clear all your cars. But also, it can clear all your cars. Look, you can clear all your cars and can clear.
Look at this. Hold on, get off real quick. Get off. Thank you. Like a night. Okay. Hey guys. Look at this. Okay.
Okay, guys. It was
Look at that little thing. It is the size of a quarter.
How about
Lengthwise.
mine?
Yeah, then I got it. So
Mine.
spoiler, and you wanted to see, obviously you might want to. Can you see it? Yeah, I can see it. It does move.
Well, it could
Which is probably the best part about it, besides these containers.
Blip.
Blip. There you go. Okay. Okay, we'll put it back in its little container. I don't think I'm gonna use these but I will keep those just in case. Maybe if I actually do need them. Now, onto
this.
unboxing. Ow, gosh. My gosh, my phone is trash. I'll come back with y'all whenever I open. Okay, so I almost got it. Okay, never mind. I do have it.
Can I open it?
No, you can't. I'm sorry.
Why?
Because there it is. Well, can you see it? There you go. Let's get the girls flexing. There you go. Look at that.
Okay.
Ah, yoy.
So
So we're gonna open
the
this.
book
Alright,
was going. So
take that off.
it could say the mark just said go.
Here we are. Here we have another little car. Keep on thinking. You'll see them right here. No.
And we'll open this one.
Hold on. You're in too much of a rush. Here's it. Very nice. It's got two little things right there too. I forgot what they're called. I'll just call those. Oh gosh. This thing is very easy to lose. But look at this. This thing is tiny and adorable. That's how my brother says.
Yes.
Wee! You best stop.
With this one there. Show it as the planet right there. Where is the planet? Where is the planet?
What, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Saturn. One that has
That.
rings.
That.
Hmm?
That.
What?
That.
That one?
Yes.
Uranus.
That.
That one?
Yes.
I already told you, that's Saturn.
That. It's just that.
What?
That big planet.
That's Jupiter.
That.
That's Mars.
That.
Earth.
That.
Venus. Mercury.
That.
The Sun.
Yeah. Good job.
I know the solar system, Rev. I've gone to school for it.
Like, I would.
Oh, whoa. I didn't even notice. Is this? I didn't even see that. I'll take it. I'll review that in a second. Gosh, these are hard to open. I'll see in a little bit. Okay, got it out. This is, which one is this? The Mig-Rig. This is the Mig-Rig. I think the green one.
I want to play with those cars.
No, we're not gonna play with them right now.
I
I think this one is the Riveted.
want to play with those.
And this one's the Govna. Or maybe this one's the Riveted. The others too. Yeah, this is the Riveted. And the other one is Govna. Sounds satisfying. Shaking them. You can really even take that one. That was easy to break. Not break, but you go, man. Open it. That was easy. As I said, this one is the Mig-Rig. Oh, that's what includes it. Oh, that one doesn't have them. Funny. Here is the Migrig. Tiny little truck. Tiny little truck. It's oddly shaped, but it's cute. It's all red. It's beautiful. I didn't do that with the other one. Well, the Govna. I like the name of it. Also, I think it's one of the coolest ones out of all three. This is really cool. I love these all. This is Govna. Wait. You know which one's the Govna, because his doesn't have the things that Snap isn't. Yeah, they're just like free roam. Oh no, I broke one of the things. Easy to break. So I wouldn't obviously recommend you to break them, but they're easy to break. And now we have this, the booklet. Let's collect them all. Oh my gosh. Have you seen this? Oh my gosh. Small Polaroids, small arcades, Rubik's Cubes, Super Soakers too. Slinky Dog. Oh my gosh. A Nerf ball, a Nerf disc, a Nerf football. They even got small Jumanji. Small Uno. Small G.I. Joe. Horror figures. Meme. It says SpongeBob SquarePants. And meme. I think. Oh, yeah, those are the faces of like memes, obviously. They got small Beyblades too. A Battle Dome. Oh my gosh. They have a lot of stuff, for crying out loud. Here's more. And the Office keychains. Bob Ross keychain. You press a button and it tells you stuff. Rally case. This right here is meant for the Hot Wheels, obviously. No way. They have the tiniest handheld consoles. Look at that. That is amazing. Well, this has been quite a long video. And, you know what? I have loved it. So that's all of the stuff. I got the pamphlet, or not pamphlet, you know what it is. Boxes. All torn stuff. Oh no! Oh, that was the Governor. Luckily, it didn't fall out. But y'all probably wanted me to not actually cut them, but I had to. But sorry about that. But as always, stay safe, stay stay cold right now, especially for me, because it is summer right now. I don't know about y'all, but for me it's summer. And I'll see you on the next video, whenever that comes out. Bye.